Rebecca Reswick, Director of Special Education, Downey Unified School District, and this is our sensory gym created and built by HK Sensory Gyms. We have about 450 kids with occupational therapy needs in our district. Could range from having autism, intellectual disabilities, orthopedic impairments, and they have sensory systems like we all do that need to be activated and regulated, and this particular gym is going to help us do that. I've always had the idea because I know that the sensory system is just another element of supporting the whole child, but doing it in a public school district, that was a little bit cumbersome because it's non-traditional. Working with HK Sensory Gyms has been an incredible experience. Really smooth, very easy to deal with, very easy to work with. They took all of our wishes, our requests, and they really customized the apparatus, the structure itself to meet our needs. And we had peculiar needs, meaning we were building this gym specifically for 3-year-olds with special needs. And so we needed to have certain things built specifically for that population. Like, for example, our slanted rock wall. It helps our children with their gait when they're 3 years old. And so they were able to customize that for us, and just really overall very smooth, efficient process. When we give tours to families or when we give tours to staff members who haven't seen the new facility, we always end our tour with the sensory gym because you walk in the room and you're like, wow, I cannot believe that a public school district has this, first of all. But secondly, it's so well designed, it's so bright, it's so welcoming. Immediately, even from an adult's perspective, you want to take your shoes off and jump all over it, do all of the things that it's designed to do. And I was just blown away. I absolutely would recommend HK Sensory Gyms to area school districts, to private clinics, to families that want to do something amazing in their own homes, to after-school programs, churches, all sorts of organizations that support kids with and without special needs. I think it is an amazing addition to the services that we can provide collectively as a community.